So guys, thank you for joining me. In today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to grow YouTube channel in this 2025, what to actually work. So guys, thank you for joining me. My channel is 2 months now and I'm having 500 subscribers, above 500 subscribers. So guys, thank you. All you guys have been so amazing. So now I want to share with you guys what is working in this 2025, how to grow in a YouTube channel in this 2025. Guys, when I had the issue in my previous channel, so I started with this channel. I started in my previous channel, I was teaching, and I started this channel with teaching also. Then I found out that there was nothing coming out of it. When you post and you'll be having 4 views, not even, people were not engaging, so I have to abandon it for some time. Then I started again, and I said that now I came back, changing my niche. I changed my niche. So what really helped now is that looking for the niche, looking for what your audience wants. You understand? So guys, I forgot to say, if this is what you want, I want you to support me by liking and subscribing to this channel. Do me well, and also turn on your notification button so that whenever I post video you will receive the notification. So guys, I said what really work in this 2025. Now nobody wants to like calm down to learn anymore. People don't really want to learn. People like when they have gone out, had a stressful day, when they come back, they want something that will make them, happy. They want something that will make them calm. So when you are just starting new and you are posting something like teaching or sermon or all that, people might not watch it. Now what you do is that look for how to get your audience first. That is what I did, was that I stopped and then I came back with entertainment. If you go through my profile right now, if you go to my YouTube channel right now, you see that I have profile, like I do entertainment, I do comedy, in order to, and I was surprised when I started with my entertainment this thing. When I posted it, I saw the turn up was so wow. Then the second one, it was so amazing. Then immediately when I noticed this, I quickly go and verify my account. So guys, I am telling you tips that work in this 2025. How you can grow your account in this 2025. Do not focus on one niche. That was what I said. The number one tip. Do not focus on one niche. You can even, some people don't even know that they can combine two niches. They can combine niches. You understand? You can combine niche. Right now that I'm having plenty audience, I am doing my teaching, and what I will only do is that when I want to put a new something, when I want to put new maybe like I am doing comedy or entertainment, now I want to post my niche, I will just go to YouTube dashboard, I will go to that place that they wrote category, then unclick it, so that YouTube will push my video to new audience. You understand what I mean? There is a place in YouTube, I will still show you guys after I finish talking. I will still show you guys. So go there, go to that YouTube dashboard when you want to post your new niche. This new niche is not your usual niche, so I do not want YouTube to notify only my subscribers. I want them to notify my subscribers and other people that might like what I am doing new. So I will go to that place that they wrote category and untick it. So guys, come, let me show you in the YouTube dashboard how to go to your YouTube dashboard, import the video that you want to work on. Let me use this video right now. Let's use this video. Okay, I'm using this one, then I add. Then after you have it has added to your channel, so you scroll down to this show more. You can see, you scroll down again, show more, I mean scroll down where you will see this hold on guys.
Okay.
Okay, you can see publish to subscribers feed and notify subscriber. I do not want them to notify my subscriber because I want to publish a new niche so that they can be able to publish it to other people that might like my teaching. So I click it. So right now YouTube will push it out to both my subscriber and my non-subscriber. Now I come to this category, click on it. You can see it's on entertainment because I do entertainment also. Now I want to put my teaching. I will put it in how to and style. Yes, I teach people how to grow their account. And so guys, thank you. Right, you go live. Going live will help you to grow. Yes, going live will make you to tell people this is what you do, this is what I do, this is what I do, and people from there will know that this is what you do. People that like that thing that you want to do, they will also join you in subscribing and supporting to you also. So this is how it works, and do not forget to verify your account. Verifying your account, I post in my last video. I post that in my last video, how to verify your account and how to know if you verify your account or not. Go to your Google, type in YouTube/verification. The first one that will pop out, click on it, then it will show you if your account is verified or not. Then the last one is that learn to post properly. Posting properly will make you to have more more audience, and people that want that thing that you are posting, they will come to you, they will find you. Because when you post properly, when people go to Google and search out that your topic, something related to your topic, Google will bring you out. You understand? Google will bring you out, and that will be adding to your own visibility. Now, how to post properly? How you post properly is saving your video in your file. Yes, saving it and renaming it in your file, and you will find out that when you want to publish that video, when you want to publish the video, the title will just pop out, like it will be in advanced level, and that will increase your visibility. And verifying your account will make YouTube to know that yes, you are a human, that you are not a robot. So guys, these are the tips that work in this 2025, and it worked for me. These 2 months that I've spent on this platform, it really worked for me. If you do it, you will come back with your own testimony. So guys, do me well. If you love this video, if everything I have said you like it and you want to support me, do me good by liking and subscribing to this channel. Thank you for joining me. Bye.